Tom's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about AT&T. So it looks like the AT&T has made some changes to its plan. So if you guys are on AT&T postpaid, you guys need to pay attention to this. This may affect you. So if you guys go to their website here, then you guys go to their plans page here, you guys will see what I'm talking about here. So go to wireless here. So get that second to load here. Click on phone plans here. Yeah, and you guys will see what I'm talking about here. So you guys will see right there, unlimited premium. That's the newest plan. It replaces the unlimited elite plan. So they got rid of the unlimited elite plan and they replaced it with the unlimited premium plan. You guys will see what you guys get with that. You guys get unlimited high-speed data with 5G at no extra cost. So yeah, so just scroll down here just a little bit, you guys will see it's been updated on AT&T's website. So yeah, let's go to one line here. So yeah, so the prices are the same like they were before, except for AT&T dropped the unlimited elite plan and replaced it with the unlimited premium plan, what you guys will see here. So the unlimited premium plan is right here, $85 a month per line. This is for a single line here. You guys will get unlimited talk, text, and high-speed data that can't slow you down based on how much you use. 5G access, AT&T Active Armor Advanced Mobile Security, free app with public Wi-Fi protection, identity monitoring, and more. 50 gigabytes of mobile hotspot per line per month. Then after 50 gigabytes, of course, after 50 gigabytes, the hotspot is throttled to 128 kilobytes per second. Then you guys have unlimited talk, text, and data in Mexico and Canada. 2G off-network data speeds may apply. Unlimited texting from US to 200 plus countries. Unlimited talk, text, and high-speed data in 19 Latin American countries. All that is new. They recently added that like in the last month. You do get 4K streaming, which is very nice. And you also get Stadia Pro included for 6 months. If you guys want to try out, if you guys are looking to check out Google Stadia, you guys can get a 6-month trial of Stadia Pro if you're a customer of AT&T. So that's a cool perk there. Check it out. I do like Google Stadia a lot. I think it's really cool, and yeah, I personally like Google Stadia. Some people might be indifferent of that, but it's your opinion. You're entitled to your own opinion on that. And you guys will also get signature program members can save up to $10 a month per line through your work or organization. So pretty cool benefit there to save some money, especially if you have like a work phone or whatever. So pretty cool there. So that's the unlimited premium plan, $85 a month per line for a single line. Of course, then you have the unlimited and you guys will notice too that there is no HBO Max included here. You guys want to pay that separately because AT&T also dropped HBO Max as well. They dropped the free offering. You can still use HBO Max, but you will not have to pay for it. It's $10 a month for the ad supported version, and it's $15 a month with the ad-free version of HBO Max. So to keep that in mind, you guys want to pay for HBO Max now. Doesn't matter if you're an AT&T customer or not, right? So now the unlimited extra plan is $75 a month per line for one line. Of course, you get unlimited talk, text, and 50 gigabytes of premium data. After 50 gigabytes, AT&T may temporarily slow down data speeds if the network is busy, of course, so data deprioritization and all that. 5G included, of course. AT&T Active Armor AT&T Active Armor, Advanced Mobile Security, free app for public Wi-Fi protection, identity monitoring, and more. 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot per line per month. Add to the 15 gigabytes of hotspot, it is started down to 128 kilobytes per second. You also get unlimited talk, text, and data in Mexico and Canada. 2G off network. Data speeds may apply. Unlimited texting from the US to 200 plus countries. 480p video streaming there. And Stadia Pro 6-month trial there if you guys want to check it out. Like I said, I do like Google Stadia a lot. Some people may be indifferent to that. But if you're an AT&T customer and you guys want to try out Google Stadia, like I said, you can get a 6-month trial to Stadia Pro. So pretty cool there. And then you guys will have the cheapest plan from AT&T, which is the unlimited starter plan for $65 a month for a single line, of course. You do get unlimited talk, text, and data, of course. AT&T may temporarily shut down data speeds if the network is busy. Doesn't matter if you use 5 gigabytes or 500 gigabytes, so they can deprioritize it. They can slow down your data at any time. So to keep in mind, you also get 5G access at AT&T Active Armor Mobile Security, free app with spam call blocking, and more. 3 gigabytes of mobile hotspot per line per month. So 3 gigabytes of hotspot is not a lot. That's nothing. You can burn through that 3 hours depending on what you're doing with your hotspot. Then after the 3 gigabytes, though, it's throttled down to 128 kilobytes per second. Also, you'll get unlimited talk, text, and data in Mexico and Canada, of course. 2G off network data speeds may apply. Unlimited texting from the US to 200 plus countries. 480p video streaming, and Stadia Pro 6-month trial. So pretty cool there. So the biggest changes with this plan is that AT&T has changed the name from the Unlimited Elite plan to the Unlimited Premium plan. You'll get 50 gigabytes of hotspot now, and HBO Max is not included no more with the AT&T plan, so you guys will have to pay for that yourself. Doesn't matter if you're an AT&T customer or not, so HBO Max will not be an extra cost. I don't know if you're on the Unlimited Elite plan. I don't know if you guys will be upgraded to this automatically or if you guys can do that yourself. And also, I don't know if you guys have the HBO Max thing bundled in. I don't know if AT&T will make you guys start paying that, so I'm not really sure about that. But all I know is you guys want to pay for HBO Max now if you're an AT&T customer or not. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.